I'm looking for an apartment to rent. Great. We have a few options available. What are you looking for? Is this apartment still available? Yes, it is. Would you like to schedule a viewing? How much is the monthly rent? The rent is $700 per month, utilities included. What is included in the rent? Utilities such as water, electricity, and gas are included. Is there a security deposit? Yes, we require a security deposit. It's equivalent to 1 month's rent. Can I schedule a tour of the apartment? Of course. When would you like to come by? When can I move in? The apartment is available for move-in starting next week. Is there a lease agreement? Yes, we have a standard lease agreement for 1 year. Are pets allowed? Yes, we allow pets. There's a pet deposit and monthly fee. What amenities are available? We have a pool, gym, and communal lounge area. Is there parking available? Yes, we have on-site parking for residents. How many bedrooms does it have? It's a 2-bedroom apartment with 1 bathroom. Is there a laundry facility on site? Yes, we have a laundry room in the building. Are there any additional fees? There's a one-time application fee and a cleaning fee upon move-out. How do I apply for the apartment? You can fill out an application online or in person. What documents do I need to provide? We require proof of income, photo ID, and references. Do you require renter's insurance? Yes, it's a requirement. You'll need to provide proof of coverage. Can I paint the walls? We don't allow painting, but you can decorate within reason. Who do I contact for maintenance issues? You can submit maintenance requests through our online portal. Is there a penalty for breaking the lease early? Yes, there's a fee equivalent to 2 months' rent. Is the neighborhood safe? Yes, it's a safe and quiet neighborhood. Are there any noise restrictions? We have quiet hours from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Can I sublet the apartment? Subletting is allowed with prior approval from management.